Ellie the elephant had a big problem. She couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo! She sneezed so hard she blew away the birds, shook the trees, and even made a monkey fall off a branch. The jungle animals had a meeting. We must help Ellie, said the wise old turtle. They gave her honey, warm soup, and even a tiny scarf. But the sneezing didn't stop. Then one day, a butterfly landed on Ellie's trunk. Tickle, tickle, it whispered. Ah, ah, achoo! This time, the sneeze was so strong she launched herself into the air and landed in a giant pile of soft bananas. From that day on, Ellie sneezed only when she wanted to fly. The animals cheered, "Hooray for the flying elephant!" And Ellie? She always carried Pepper in her pocket, just in case she needed a lift.